Let's try this problem. During morning training, Rockley paced a 300 meter straight path and counted 103 paces. He wanted to know how long each of his pace was. Mission task is find Rockley's pace factor. I usually use this trick. D stands for distance, PF stands for pace factor, P stands for paces. Now, ang given is we have 300 meters and 103 paces. Substitute lang natin, PF is equals to D over P. 300 meter over 103 paces. 2.91 meter over pace.